Family arantana a Kenya makigirika gwitikira gikuo kia uria wari Prime Minister Raila Odinga. President William Ruto niekirite mukonde ati bururi wa Kenya ni worwo ni umwe wa ateti aria mana korona ngumo bururi-ini. Akirekereria ndumiriri yake ari thingiraini wa IREGI Nairobi, Ruto niagwetete Odinga ta mundu urendete bururi wake, uraigite wiyathi wa bururi muharini wa mbere na mutongoria utaka nariganira.
It is with deep sorrow that I inform the nation of the passing on of the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, our former Prime Minister, Kenya's foremost statesman, and one of Africa's greatest sons. Kenya, Africa and the world mourn the passing on of a giant of democracy, a fearless freedom fighter, and a tireless warrior of good governance. Raila Amolo Odinga's name will forever be etched in the story of our republic.
Ruto amweke GUCAKAYA na family ya Raila hamwe na bururi akiandirira mitaratara ya ikugathikwo niguo kumutia.
All my public engagements for the coming days.
Ruto nianirire ihinda ria thiku MUGWANJA cia kumucakaya na ihinda-ini riri federa ya bururi egucurio nuthu muringoti nyumba-ini ciothe cia thirikari, nyumba-ini ciothe cia kibiraru na nyumba-ini cia kibaruthi cia Kenya nja wa bururi.
I have declared a 7-day period of national mourning, during which the national flag shall fly at half-mast across the Republic of Kenya and in all our missions abroad.
Na niguo kuonania gitio giake kuri Odinga, Ruto niakajite mihango yake yothe ya kibururi ihinda-ini riri ria kumucakaya, oho akihithuria Odinga akaheo mathiko ma gibururi na iteo ciothe cia gikiro kia mathiko maya. Kamiti ya mwanya area egutongorio ni munini wa President Professor Kithure Kindiki na Senator wa Siaya Oburu Odinga niyo egutangikira mihango ya mathiko hamwe na ugitiri gatagati ka maundu mage.
In consultation with the family, a committee to be co-chaired by the Deputy President Professor Kithure Kindiki and the Siaya Senator Oburu Odinga has been set up to coordinate the funeral arrangements.
Thutha wa thirikari ya bururi wa India gwitikira guteithia mihango-ini ya gucokia mwiri wa Raila guku bururi-ini, Ruto niatumite atongoria aria megutangikira mihango ino bururi-ini wa India magitongorio ni Minista MUNENE Musalia Mudavadi, Minister Kipchumba Murkomen na Hassan Joho, mutongoria wa aria aige bunge-ini Kimani mwana wa aria nini Junet Mohamed, o hamwe na memba mwe a family ya Raila.
At the request of the government of Kenya has offered to facilitate the repatriation of the remains of our former Prime Minister. Consequently, a delegation comprising government officials and family members, led by Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi, is leaving immediately for India to facilitate proper organization in the repatriation of the remains of our brother, the Honorable Raila Odinga.
Ihinda-ini oriu President niathaganitie mucemanio wa mwanya wa ndudia a Minister kuria aniriire a Minister aria mekurutithania wira na family ya mutigaire Raila Odinga niguo gukinyaniria mehaririria ma kuhurukio gwake.
I would suggest maybe the Minister for Defense, there will be a requirement, and the Attorney General, and then the Honorable Oparanya, the Honorable Duale. So I think that becomes the cabinet team that will work with the others.
Oho niathite Ministry ya mathako iharirie kiharo kia Nyayo kuona kiaya gukahuthika mehaririria-ini ma mathiko. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.